Good afternoon and welcome back in to Midday in Kansas. We are finalizing things with Miss Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission. Earlier on the morning show, we made this heart-healthy dip. A couple heart-healthy elements that you can take to your holiday parties if you're going out and about this holiday season. And we're wrapping things up today with a second-place winner from the Kansas State Fair recently, right, Charlene?
We are. I'll let you announce who it is, and the name of this recipe
Joyce Conard from Hutchinson, Kansas.
And it's the quick soy pinwheels.
I love a good pinwheel. All right. How do we make it, Charlene?
Well, and all these recipes we've done this morning have been so quick and easy. This one we're actually going to do in the food processor. I've put in a half a cup of sour cream. You're going to put in 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Okay.
And then we're going to add the edamame.
We're going to throw that in there too?
Yes, we are.
All right.
And that's 1 cup of edamame that I cooked and then drained.
Okay.
And then we have a half a cup of cheddar cheese that we're going to add to that.
It's easy enough.
We have 1 table. Oh, go ahead and add that one.
Do the onions,
1 tablespoon of green onion and 1 tablespoon of jalapeno that's been chopped, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice.
That's it, huh?
And that's all there is to it. Let's see if I can turn this on right. I've turned it backwards.
You've done it so many times, yeah, okay.
Yeah. And we'll just, what I would do is just kind of go back and forth and mix that up really good. You might want to stir it a couple of times, but then you're going to get this nice creamy mixture, and we're going to take, and you can see it kind of sets up there because of all the mixture. Take about 1/4 of a cup and spread this on tortillas. It uses 8 tortillas, so you're actually going to get about 72 little pinwheels and appetizers for your party. Spread that on there, and I've also got some choices here because you could use the sun-dried tomato or spinach, and then you're just going to roll it up. That's all there is to it, and then take a knife and slice these into about 1-inch pieces, and they'll stay together there, and we arranged them all here on our tray.
Very, very nice. You can get a little colorful, festive. Do they make red tortillas too, I think, this time of year? So if you really want to get creative, you can do that. So this recipe, along with all the other winning recipes that we featured this morning on 13 News This Morning, are on your website, right?
They are. The Kansas Soybean Commission's website at kansassoybeans.org.
Okay. Good stuff. People would never know that there were, you hit little soybeans in there, a little edamame in there, all right?
And as you said, it's got a little green there, so it's a festive appetizer.
And it's a healthy treat as well.
Healthy
all right.
treat.
Thanks,
That's
Charlene.
right.
Thanks for watching Midday in Kansas. We'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll start our show at 5 a.m. Hope to see you then.